mayong hapon na nakanabasa na itong mga ninggawas na mga balita regarding the Samal Island Davao Connector Bridge na that madelay siya because of the issue of funding. Siguro we need to, siguro it's up to the DPWH to settle the score siguro, no? Ipagawas na they need to, siguro magpagawa sila ng statement, the DPWH or the national government, kung tinuod ba kini na issue. Kaya siyempre kami din sa Samal nag-uulsad mi. It's supposed to be ang pronouncement was early 2028, and karon na ay mga nanggawas na article na hopefully no dili unta mahitabo na ma-delay up to 2030, no? Nanggawas ko na. So hopefully mo pagawas o official statement ng DPWH regarding this matter. Siguro crisis pod, no? So hopefully unta no dili siya na-appeal o ma-appeal sa mga realignments diha sa national. So naamay siguro yung lain pang mga funding sources na pwede na to kasi the bridge is almost or more than 50% na ang ano niya, progress niya. So I think siguro it's really up to the DPWH sa dapat magpagawas yun sila og official statement.